And today's question is, why do ponds go green? Or why do fish ponds go green? Or what causes ponds to go green? Well, basically what it is it's organic load on the system and the lack of plants. As you can see, that this pond hasn't got any plants in it at all. So what's caused this to go green is it's the amount of fish in there, or the amount of nutrients that is in the pond, and there's nothing for Mother Nature to actually absorb that nutrients or process that nutrients. This particular pond hasn't got any rocks and gravel, or it's basically got a bare liner, so there's not actually that much surface area for beneficial bacteria to grow and break it down. Also, when you've got fish in a pond, they will actually eat a certain amount of algae, but they'll actually eat zooplankton, which eats the algae. So the fish will eat a little bit of algae, but they'll eat all of the zooplankton that actually feeds on the single cell algae. So if you didn't have any fish and the balance was perfect and you had a few plants in there, you probably wouldn't have a green pond. So the reason why a fish pond goes green is because the fish are eating the zooplankton, and also they're dirty fish, so they actually produce a lot of waste. And also, if you feed the fish, you're putting in waste, and that waste is not being used by anything. So the phosphates or the nitrates that are being caused by the breakdown of the waste feeds the algae. That's why fish ponds go green.